Good morning, students. Till now, I have taught you about the definition of the grammar, language, and kinds of language. Today, I will teach you about the alphabet, letter. Now, let's start with the alphabet. Here you see I have written the definition of the alphabet. Here, alphabet इसे हिंदी में वर्णमाला कहते हैं. This is a systematic group of 26 letters in English language is called alphabet. You know, students, that there are two ways of writing these 26 letters. Number one is capital letter. I have written here. Number two is a small letter. I have written here. You can see. Now let's make it more clear that अल्फाबेट का मतलब हिंदी में वर्णमाला होती है. किसी भी भाषा में जितने अक्षर या लेटर्स होते हैं उसका जो पूरा सेट होता है उसे अल्फाबेट या वर्णमाला कहते हैं. इंग्लिश में 26 लेटर्स होते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई जे K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are 26 letters in English language. So these 26 letters are called alphabet. Now I will tell you about the letter. What is called letter? This is called अक्षर in Hindi. इसको हिंदी में अक्षर कहते हैं. See here, I have written the definition of the letter. It is a smallest unit of the alphabet which cannot be divided. Another part is called letter. I think it's clear. For example, you see here, A, B, C, D. You can say these letters are the part of the alphabet. These letters are the part of the alphabet. Let me clear it with the example. You see here, I am making a garland of the pearl. मोतियों की माला बना रही हूँ. You see, this is called the garland. इसे माला कहते हैं, मोती की माला. जब ये एक में पिरोई जाती है मोती, तब इसे माला कहते हैं. When we take out one pearl from this, यदि एक मोती हमने निकाल ली तो ये माला नहीं कहलाएगी, ये मोती कहलाएगी. इसी प्रकार से लेटर, you see the difference between the alphabet and the letter. Alphabet is the group of the letters. Alphabet is the group of the letters. You can see, take the example from this. Alphabet is the group of the letters and letter is a part of the alphabet. Letter, you see, one letter is a part of the alphabet. You think this garland as the group of the alphabet. Clear हो गया? Alphabet group of the letters and letter is a part of the alphabet. You can say, I think now it is clear. इसे हिंदी में वर्णमाला कहते हैं. वर्णमाला, वर्ण अक्षर को कहा जाता है. वर्ण अक्षर को कहा जाता है, जैसे आ, क, खा. तो ये जब इसका पूरा समूह होता है इसे वर्णमाला कहते हैं. लेकिन जब एक वर्ण की बात आती है, वर्ण तो एक अक्षर होता है, इसे हम अकेले एक वर्ण को वर्णमाला नहीं कहेंगे. I think it is clear. Now note down in your notebook. I will tell you about the alphabet can be divided into two parts. Now note down this.